Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Carousel for Reviews and UGC section. This section showcases a scrollable carousel of video content such as customer testimonials, product reviews, and UGC. It's a powerful way to build trust by highlighting authentic, real customer experiences on your store. All right, let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Carousel for Reviews and UGC section, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Template, then select Carousel for Reviews and UGC section. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Template, Carousel for Reviews and UGC section. Here, you can customize all the settings. You can add section. Just click on Add Section and search Carousel for Reviews and UGC section, and you can see Carousel for Reviews and UGC section. Click to add it, and from there, you can customize all the available settings. Show on. Choose where the Carousel for Reviews and UGC section appears on your store. Desktop only. Display only on desktop screens. Mobile only. Display only on mobile devices. Both. Visible across all devices. Container size. Select how wide the Carousel for Reviews and UGC section should appear. Default. Keep spacing on the left and right. Full. Stretches the section edge to edge for a wide layout. Number of columns on desktop. Select how many videos should appear side by side on desktop. Play video on loop. Enable to loop the video continuously. Disable to play it once. Play all videos. Enable to autoplay all videos. Disable to play each video individually. Enable slider. Choose where the Carousel for Reviews slider should appear. Both. Displays on both desktop and mobile devices. Desktop only. Shows only on desktop screens. Mobile only. Shows only on mobile devices. None. Carousel for Reviews slider disabled. Enable autoplay. Automatically scrolls the videos in the slider. Disable to keep it static. Autoplay speed. Adjust the speed of the slider transition. Loop. Enable to make the slider cycle continuously back to the first slide. Show dots. Enable show dots to display navigation dots on the slider. Disable this option to hide them. Show arrows. Enable show arrows to display navigation arrows on the slider. Disable this option to hide them. Arrow color. Select Inherit to use your theme's default color scheme, or Custom to choose your own. Custom arrow color. Set your preferred arrow color. Custom arrow background color. Select a background color for the arrows. Top padding. Adjust space above block content. You can choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large. Custom. Allows you to manually set your preferred padding value. Custom top padding. Set exact top spacing. Example, 0 pixels to max 100 pixels. Bottom padding. Adjust the space below the block content. You can choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large. Custom. Lets you set a custom padding value manually. Custom bottom padding. Set exact bottom spacing. Example, 0 pixels to max 100 pixels. Color schemes. Match the section to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background. Custom. Create your own palette for full control. You can freely add blocks like caption, description, double button, icon, icon with text, image, single button, subtitle, title, and more. Here we have video settings. Let's check it out. Video. Upload your video file to display it in the carousel. URL. Paste the video URL if using external hosting. Cover image. Upload a thumbnail image for the video. Video alt text. Add descriptive alt text for accessibility and SEO. Product. Select a product to link with the video. And that's it. Your carousel for reviews and UGC section is now fully set up. With these settings, you can create an engaging, authentic display of customer experiences that boosts trust and conversions. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.